Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically remove acne from your face in Canva. So you do have to use the Pro feature for this. So go to edit image and just select the magic eraser tool. Now this is a little bit better if it's for objects, but if you went on it and erased some imperfections here and there, just make sure you change the brush size as you go along. And then you press erase. It's going to kind of adjust it to the background of your video, so it's not going to fully remove the skin, but it's going to remove the blemishes. Here you can add more, maybe some more here and there, but that's pretty much how you can remove blemishes on Canva. It is actually it's a pretty neat feature. No shame in acne at all. I know people struggle with it, but this is just how you can retouch yourself if you'd like to. You don't have to. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.